In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to add font to Canva. Let's get started. From your Canva dashboard, look on the left hand side and click Brand. Then open your brand kit. Scroll down a bit and you'll see the font section. Just click Add New to upload your font files. You can add different fonts for titles, subtitles, headings, subheadings. This makes it super easy to keep your brand consistent across all your designs. Now you can click on the option Create. From here you can select any of the option. Once you're over here, click on the option Text and type in anything. Now click on this font option. Now from here as well you can easily add the font. Scrolling all the way down, you're gonna find the option Upload a font. You'll need to click on that option and go through the process. This only appears if you're on Canva Pro, and that's it. This is how you can easily add font on Canva. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.